Did you know most people think it's hard to get enough protein on a vegan diet? That's actually a big myth. The truth is, vegan protein sources like lentils, tempeh, tofu, and beans can give you all the protein your body needs. In this video, I'll share my favorite vegan protein dinner recipes that are healthy, filling, and easy to cook. Whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or simply having more energy, these meals are for you. I'll show you quick, delicious, and plant-based protein recipes perfect for busy nights. These aren't just healthy meals, they're also vegan dinner ideas you'll actually look forward to. Think of this as your guide to simple, tasty, and vegan protein-packed meals that fit into everyday life. So let's dive in and discover the ultimate vegan high-protein meals for everyday cooking. Many people still wonder why we should focus on vegan high-protein meals instead of traditional meat-based options. The truth is, vegan protein dinner recipes are packed with nutrients and can fuel your body just as well as meat. These meals are perfect for vegan recipes for weight loss, since protein helps you feel full longer and cuts cravings. At the same time, they're excellent vegan recipes for muscle gain because protein-rich vegan foods support strength and recovery. Choosing plant-based protein recipes also means supporting the environment and living more ethically. And if you've heard myths about protein deficiency on vegan diets, don't worry. Vegan protein sources like tofu, seitan, and chickpeas have you covered. So whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or someone who just loves good food, vegan protein meal ideas can fit your lifestyle. The best part, these meals prove that vegan dinner recipes easy can still be delicious, energizing, and satisfying. The secret to making amazing vegan protein-packed meals starts with stocking the right ingredients. Some of the best vegan protein sources are simple: lentils, beans, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Whole grains like quinoa, farro, and bulgur are must-haves for plant protein recipes. Nuts and seeds, like hemp seeds, chia, and pumpkin seeds, add crunch and boost any vegan high-protein salads or bowls. For busy days, these staples make it easy to create quick vegan dinner recipes that are healthy and satisfying. They're also the base for budget-friendly vegan protein meals that won't break the bank. With these ingredients, you can whip up endless vegan protein meal ideas, from stews and curries to bowls and tacos. Stocking your kitchen this way means every night, you'll have simple vegan dinner recipes ready to go. If you're short on time, don't worry, quick vegan protein dinners are totally doable. First up, a 20-minute stir-fried tempeh and veggies, packed with protein and flavor. Next, try a lentil curry with coconut milk, one of my favorite vegan lentil recipes. Another easy option is quinoa and black bean bowls, full of protein-rich vegan foods. Don't forget chickpea and spinach stew, a comforting and filling vegan chickpea recipe. For a fun twist, high-protein vegan tacos with tofu are perfect for busy weeknights. All of these are easy vegan protein meals that give you energy and satisfaction in every bite. Best of all, these vegan protein-packed meals show that dinner can be fast, simple, and delicious. Meal prepping is a game changer for busy people who want high-protein vegan meal prep without stress. Start by batch cooking lentils, beans, and grains, your foundation for vegan protein-packed meals. Store meals in airtight containers to keep everything fresh for the week. You can make freezer-friendly high-protein vegan recipes for even more convenience. Rotate your proteins, like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and seitan, to avoid boredom. Using these vegan protein meal ideas, you'll always have something ready for dinner. Meal prepping is perfect for both vegan recipes for muscle gain and vegan recipes for weight loss. With simple planning, easy vegan protein meals become part of your everyday routine. Even vegan protein-packed meals can leave you hungry if you don't balance them properly. One trick is combining grains and legumes to create complete proteins in your plant protein recipes. Adding healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or nuts makes vegan high-protein meals more satisfying. Using herbs and spices can make vegan protein dinner recipes flavorful without extra calories. Portion control is key, especially for vegan recipes for weight loss. Don't forget variety. Rotating vegan protein sources like tofu, tempeh, and seitan keeps meals exciting. Simple swaps like adding seeds or beans can turn any dish into protein-rich vegan foods. Following these tips, every dish becomes a vegan protein-packed meal that keeps you full and energized. Even with vegan high-protein meals, people can make mistakes that slow their progress. Relying too much on processed vegan products can reduce nutrient quality in vegan protein dinner recipes. Ignoring micronutrients like iron, B12, and zinc can sabotage your vegan recipes for muscle gain or weight loss goals. Forgetting variety in vegan protein sources can make meals repetitive and boring. Overcomplicating recipes can make it harder to stick to easy vegan protein meals consistently. Skipping legumes and whole grains reduces the impact of plant-based protein recipes. Not planning meals can lead to relying on low-protein snacks instead of vegan protein-packed meals. Awareness and small adjustments can help you enjoy vegan protein meal ideas without mistakes holding you back. Eating vegan high-protein dinners doesn't have to be boring or complicated. With the right ingredients and a few simple vegan protein dinner recipes, you can fuel your body and reach your goals. Try 1 or 2 recipes this week and see how energized and satisfied you feel. Vegan protein-packed meals are not only healthy, they're affordable, sustainable, and delicious. Whether your goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or just healthier meals, these easy vegan protein meals make plant-based eating simple. Remember, planning with vegan protein sources like lentils, tofu, tempeh, and beans makes life easier. Don't forget to rotate proteins and try new vegan protein meal ideas so every dinner feels exciting. Thanks for watching. Start today, enjoy vegan high-protein meals, and make plant-based eating a delicious habit.